think strangers think of you?
I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen. And try to make it happen. Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alex, you guys saw I just made up the bed and she's over here. Honestly, so many times I think, what's the freaking point? Anyway, we're about to head on out. I went with like a peacock inspired look today. You know, I'm trying to mix it up, adding some color. I was getting dressed this morning. Like, Alex is like, Mama, put on the green shirt. So I put on the green shirt. Got a few errands to run. It's such a gloomy, ugly day. It's just like black, but oh, this lighting makes me look like it's not matching. I promise it matches. Can you get off the bed, please? When I film, I typically have a better day, so let's have a good day today. She's eating her first Kinder egg. So from Easter. Yes. I need to tell them what we're dealing with. Okay, so we made it to Target. I was on the hunt for this game that I came across on TikTok, of course. Found it. Let me show you what it is. It's this game. It's called We're Not Really Strangers. I guess it's you ask deep questions. It's a purpose-driven card game. So I think this will be fun for us to play. And then Erin is over here trying to get Alex a light bright, and she's 2.
I'm not planning for her to play with it at all. But when she unwraps it, there's a story behind it. When I was a kid, my parents got me a light bright, and the first time I opened the package, like I unwrapped it, and then I just put it right to the side. So they did it the next year, and I did the same thing. I was like, ooh, a light bright, and put it to the side. But I never played with it 2 years in a row. The third year, I kind of wised up. I was like, what? A light bright? Did I get one of these? It's like, yep, you can get one next year, and you don't play with this one this year. So I started playing with it, and I found that I loved it.
And I am the practical parent that says wait until she's at least of age to care about it. We're doing some damage in this stupid death trap of a store. Okay, so we just got back home, stopped at Wawa Grill to get something to eat. I got a bowl, a beef bowl. I didn't know they put this sauce on it, but whatever. Beef bowl with just vegetables and a side of rice because Alex will eat the rice as she is right now. I thought I'd do a mini Target haul from a few of the items that I picked up at Target. So, for starters, I got this macrame kit. It was $3, and I'm obsessed with macrame, so I thought it'd be cool to do. So I got this hanging pot for, you know the vibe. You know the vibe, okay? This was $5. I got 3 of these cute little things to like put plants inside. You know the vibe. Again, you know the vibe. And then I got 2 of these little shelves. There's nothing to hang them with, so I'm guessing you just, there's like nothing to, you know, maybe you just like sit it down and then do things with it. I don't know, but it's just cute. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but we'll figure that out. And then we ended up getting this little, like, Lazy Susan. I don't even know what we're going to do with this yet.
We got to figure it out.
Oh, it's a condiment holder.
Yeah. You can put it around and then that's what passing table. Amber, you can put it on there and then turn on that. Doesn't matter. It's Lazy Susan.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
That's
okay.
What you can do.
Ooh, battery's going to die. And then we got 2 citronella candles. Alexa, pause. Okay, so again, it's been a few days since I last filmed. I don't know. I start filming one day and then like I forget I'm filming and I just go on about my day. I am making dinner / lunch. I don't know, it's a very late lunch. I wasn't really hungry and I just let the time pass, and Aaron's like, yo, what are we eating? So now I'm like, right, let me go cook something. So I'm just making a chicken salad. I already started it because, I mean, you've seen one chicken salad, you've seen them all. I'll show you where we're at in the process. So in the cast iron skillet, I have 2.5 chicken thighs that are from Trader Joe's that I just seasoned and cooked up. And then over here, this one's mine, and this one is Aaron's, and this is Alex's so far. I'm gonna make her a slice of bacon to go with hers and give her some cheese as well, because she doesn't like tomatoes. She doesn't like, obviously, pepperoncinis or anything like that. So now this chicken is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and plop it onto our salads. Trader Joe's thickened thighs. Thickened thighs. Trader Joe's chicken thighs are unmatched to me. The fact that there's no added hormones or anything, not sponsored, but hey, Trader Joe's, if you're watching, the fact that there's no added hormones, it just cooks up so fast and beautifully, and it's always so moist. It's just another level. And let me turn this skillet back on low for her bacon. Come on, bacon. Don't go baking my heart. One thick slice of bacon for Alex. We're just gonna leave it in all those seasonings. Ugh, the lighting in here is trash. I would put avocado on it, but I had avocado earlier, and I'm not like super hungry. Like, I'm eating because I know I need to, but I'm not starving. You know, I'm just a little hungry, but I'm not starving. Long story short, I'm not adding avocado. You don't care. You don't care.
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. Follow me on this journey. Leave your troubles far behind. It's a new day, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true, yeah. Oh, tell me, son, time is on our side. I won't let no one put us down. Oh, tell me, son.
Okay, so dinner was delicious, and now Aaron and I are about to play this game that I was so excited to get at Target. We're Not Really Strangers. So there's 3 levels. Right. So wait, let me see. Level 1 is titled Perception. So it's kind of like how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. Level 2 is Connection. That's like the deeper questions. I'm really excited about level 2. And then level 3, Reflection. I don't really know what that means, but I guess reflecting on what you played in the game or whatever. But we're about to play it, and I'm pretty excited. I'm just a sucker for stuff like this, honestly. We shall see.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think we're
Okay, so it's been a couple hours since we played, well, a couple hours and we were playing the game. It was really fun, actually. Oh, I'm just really tired. I'm about to go wash my face and go to sleep. What I liked about it is that there was like levels to the game. You start with like little basic questions like, what do you think strangers think of you? But then it goes up to, if you were going to title this part of your life in a chapter, what would the title of the chapter be? That was a good one. And then level 3, one of the level 3 questions was, I'm trying to think of a level 3 question. Oh yeah, what would you tell your younger self? And then you have 1 minute to write down what you would tell your younger self. And I don't know, it was fun. It was interesting. We enjoyed it a lot. We decided that whenever we do like date nights, we'll just do a couple. There's still a lot of questions to get through. Nonetheless, I would very, very highly recommend the game. Alex would recommend the game.
I'm jumping in bed.
You jumping in the bed?
No, monkey's jumping in the bed.
So don't be a monkey jumping on the bed. I think it was cool because it was a lot of like thought-provoking, conversation-provoking questions, and I think there were a few things that we learned about each other, and that was pretty cool. I'm so tired. What'd you like about the game?
I like that we got a chance to sit down and talk. I don't care what questions were. I just cared that I was talking to you.
Aaron's love language. What's your love language? You got a couple. You got yours is quality time and I think physical touch. Mine is definitely acts of service. I don't know if I have a second one. Pajamas on, about to go wash my face, about to call it a night. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. And thanks for chilling with us. All right. We will catch you next time. Peace.
Want this?
Oh, that's so sweet.
I found myself but never found you. I'm